Hello students, today's topic is rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing means what? Completely removing square root values from the denominator. What we have to do rationalizing the denominator means from the denominator. This is denominator. What is denominator is here? Denominator. What is denominator? Here root 5 plus root 3, which is down is there. This is called numerator and this is called denominator. Root 5 plus root 3. Now rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator is nothing but removing the square roots completely from the denominator. Okay. For this we need rationalizing factor. We need rationalizing factor. What is rationalizing factor here? इसका rationalizing factor लिखना है denominator का. See, root 5 plus root 3. When here plus, in rationalizing factor it comes minus. It comes minus. Okay, rationalizing factor what is here? Minus. So rationalizing factor is what? Root 5 minus root 3. Rationalizing factor is what beta? If plus is there, then minus we have to take, or if minus is there, we have to take plus. That is called rationalizing factor. Now what we have to do with that? Multiply and divide to our given question. Multiply, divide by RF means rationalizing factor to the given question. That is what's here. Root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. This is our given question. Multiplying with RF. This is our RF. Denominator is root 5 plus root 3. Rationalizing factor what we have to take? If here plus is there, we have to take minus. Or if here minus means here plus. So according to that, plus is there, here minus. So multiply with this RF. Numerator and denominator. Multiply and divide. First I am doing multiplication with root 5 minus root 3, that is with RF, divided by same RF, root 5 minus root 3. Now you can come see here. See the multiplication, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Numerator में क्या है? root 5 minus root 3 into again root 5 minus root 3. Just like it is in the form of a into a. A into a is nothing but a square. So root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. Same number 2 times is there. That's why we can write it as root 5 minus root 3 whole square divided by, you can see here, root 5 plus root 3, root 5 minus root 3 into is there. Denominator into denominator we have to multiply. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. Because see here, root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. यहाँ पर root 5, root 3. Just क्या है? Plus and minus. So a plus b into a minus b form. Algebraic identity applying. So according to that, a square minus b square. A square is nothing but root 5 whole square minus b square is nothing but root 3 whole square. Still you can see in numerator it is in the standard form of a minus b whole square. That is also in the standard form of algebraic identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. In that form we have to do. A minus b whole square formula we have to apply here. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square root 5 whole square plus b square root 3 whole square minus 2ab. 2 into root 5 into root 3 divided by, you can see here, while doing simplification, square and root cancel. We know that square and root cancel. So what's remaining? 5 minus 3 remaining. The same thing in numerator also. See, square root cancel a square 5 plus square root cancel b square is 3 minus 2 into, just multiply in square root. Why? Because root 5 under root 5 under root 3. So under root 5 into 3 divided by 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 how much? 2. Okay, for that more simplification, 5 plus 3 8 minus 2 into root 5 3 is a 15 divided by 2. So here I can take 2 common in numerator. I can take 2 common in the numerator. हम 2 common ले सकते हैं numerator में. So if I take 2 common in 2 table, 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are minus. This 2 you have taken outside common. Only remaining is what here? Root 15 divided by 2. Again see here. 2 4s are 8. 2 into root 15. 2 into root 15. Why? Because 2 2 cancel. 2 on the 2 on the. So answer at last. Answer what is remaining? 4 minus root 15 divided by 1. See previously, once you see here denominator is 1. Here denominator is 1. Is there any square root value? Any irrational number is there? No. So see previously you can see here in denominator what is there? Root 5 plus root 3. Irrational number. It is irrational number. When comes to here, at last here, is it irrational? No. So from irrational convert into rational. That is called rationalizing. So here particularly we are rationalizing denominator. So this is a process of rationalizing the denominator.